Talking shop. Unpacking the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fun and interesting English phrase, talk shop. If you've ever heard someone use this term and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it in various contexts. Let's get started. First, let's break it down. The word talk means to speak or converse, and shop typically refers to a place where something is made or repaired, often a place of work or business. So, if you're thinking this phrase means discussing a shopping spree or a retail store, think again. When someone says they're talking shop, they're referring to a discussion about work or business matters, especially outside of the workplace. It's like when you meet a colleague at a cafe, and instead of discussing movies or hobbies, you end up discussing a recent project or work-related challenges. Here's an example to illustrate. Imagine two teachers bump into each other at a party. Instead of discussing the music or the food, they start discussing their teaching methods or a new curriculum. They are, essentially, talking shop. To help you get a better grasp, here are some examples of how you can use talk shop in sentences. 1. I know we're on vacation, but can we not talk shop for once? 2. Whenever I meet Jake, we inevitably start talking shop. It's hard not to. 3. My friends told us to stop talking shop at the dinner table. Remember, it's often used in informal contexts and can sometimes imply that discussing work during leisure time can be boring or inappropriate for the setting. And there you have it. Now you know what it means to talk shop and can use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but the stories and cultures they bring with them. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beautiful world of the English language.